when this defendant, Melissa Morgan, went back inside Zachariah Hayes' home, lit it on fire, and killed him. Earlier in that evening, about an hour and a half before, Melissa Morgan took a broken piece of a large glass bottle and struck Zachariah Hayes over the head, incapacitated him. So when she left that house, he was unconscious or asleep in his bedroom. She chose to come back into that home, and she lit it on fire, killing him. Part of my job here today is to tell you about Zachariah Hayes, to tell you what he now can't, to tell you his story.
The evidence is going to show as you go through the trial, you will see that Melissa is the survivor. It's also going to show that she's a victim. She's a victim. Her life obviously didn't stop when she began using drugs. She did develop relationships and friends, at least people who she thought were friends. And she was a friend of Zachariah Hayes. And it's clear, and it's true what the prosecution said, and the evidence will show that Mr. Hayes had an affinity for Melissa Morgan. He liked her. He used the word loved her. Some people say he was obsessed. But here's what's clear. They were strictly friends. He knew it, she knew it, and so did everyone else. You'll look at the video. You see, Justin goes and they're heading towards Zach's house. You can't see what's going on because then they're out of the view of the camera. And then he comes out, walks out for less than a minute, I believe, and then he goes back, and then he does that again, you know. And, you know, he says, I will go back because I want to get my friend out of there, you know. Truth is that he was stewing the whole time. He's upset with Zach already because of what had happened earlier. He just heard that he raped his friend, so he goes back. He goes into the home. He's upset. He goes to the bedroom. He opens the door and he sees Zachariah Hayes laying on the bed, completely naked. And that's the perfect time for him to take revenge. And he does. He lights the fires. Melissa tells him please. And then forces her out of the house. So we need to go now. Now, should she have stopped him and said, hey, that's wrong? Sure. But she didn't kill him. And she didn't start those fires. And you will hear tons of contradictory evidence from Mr. Fleet. He lies, and he lies, and he lies. Because if you believe it that she was beat up and find that to be truthful, if you believe it that she was raped and find that to be truthful, then you would believe when she said, Justin Fleegle set that fire. Folks, at the end of this case, I think there's only going to be one fair and just verdict. That's a verdict not guilty on all counts. And I'll be asking for that. Thank you for your attention.
Thank you, Mr. Solis.